Okay, here we are. I will show you first what you will find in the project manager. This is the 00 main composition which we are seeing in the timeline. The 00 you change folder contains all the customizable composition that I will show you in deep a little bit forward. This other comps folder contains all the composition that we used to build this project. And the other resolution folder contains the same 00 main composition but in all these different resolutions. Let's open the 00 you change folder. As you see, you have here all the composition related with text, image, and floor texture. Now let's see the timeline. Here you have a reference layer which will help you to find the image that you want to change by using these marks right here. So this way you can easily locate the photo 01, the photo 02, the photo 03, and so on. Besides this, you have all these effect layers. Let me show you. This blue layer here has a blur effect like the camera out of focus effects. You can enable it by using this eye icon right here. This black iris layer has a flickering vignette around the image which you can enable by using the same eye icon. The color control layer has two effects to change the floor colors. I will show you this a little bit forward. Let's make some changes here. First of all, I will move the indicator over this mark 02. And I will add an image into this photo container. By using this mark reference, I will locate the photo 02 composition from the You Change folder. Let's open the composition. Once you get inside, put your image below this frame layer and hide this photo 02 text reference. I have an image right here. Now I will drag this image to the composition below this layer. I will make some little adjustments. Okay, done. Let's see how this looks in the main composition. Great. Now let's change this text. To change this text, I will locate the input text 02 in the You Change folder. Open the composition and change the text. I will retype here love feels the moment. Okay, done. Let's go back to the main composition. As you see, the text has changed. The process to change image or text for the rest of the composition is quite the same. Just use the reference layer to locate the right image or text in the 00 You Change folder. Now let's make some changes in the background image. As you see, the floor has a texture like an embroidery cloth. You can change the embroidery design using this floor texture composition. Open it by double-click, please. Once you get inside, just choose a new design by using this eye icon here. I will choose this one. Let's see the main composition. As you see, the texture has changed. Now I will change the colors by using the color effects in the color control layer. I will choose this color for the color 01 and this other color for the color 02. Looks really good. As you already saw in the preview video, a hand appears in the scene dropping a photo over the floor, like this one. This is a female hand, but you can choose a male hand or you can disable it if you want by a simple process. Let me show you. Let's open this composition scene which contains this hand. All the photo composition without hands are in yellow and the hands composition are in orange. In this case, you have the photo 05 composition without any hand, the female hand photo 05, and the main hand photo 05 as well. You can choose between these three options by using this eye icon right here. I will choose the main hand photo 05, so I will enable it right here. Okay, now let's see something related with the render process. First of all, I will unhide all the layers of this composition by clicking this shy icon right here. I will select the camera and I will open the camera options. As you already saw in the preview video, we used some autofocus effects. Those effects were made by using the depth of field option, which you will find here in the camera option. As you see, the option is disabled now because we are using the blur layer effect in the 00 main composition, which is the easy way for a normal render. But if you want to use this camera option, you have to enable it here and disable the blue layer effect in the 00 main composition. As an example, the previous video that you saw with the camera depth of field option enabled takes 3 hours of render in an 8-core machine. But if you want to use only the blur effects layer in the main composition, probably your render will take about 1 hour. Okay, now you already know all that you need to customize this project by your own.